Alright, this is a recap on Friday morning's class. Excuse me. This is the algorithm we did in class. And let's take the convention that yellow is the color on top, red is in the front, and green is on the side. This is mostly so that you know how you were holding the cube when you did this move. So let's do it. So F, U, R, U inverse, R inverse, F inverse. So that's the move. That's how it should look. And if you look around the cube, you can see that it only affects pieces in the top layer. So let's first just work on the location notation, which pieces were affected. This is a good first step into figuring out the cycle structure of the move. So this piece was affected. This is the up front. This piece was affected. This is the upright. It doesn't matter which of these squares you label it in. Because this is one piece here, right? This is one piece on the cube. The back right corner, the up back right corner was affected. The up back piece was affected. The up back left was affected. The up left was not affected. And the up front left was affected, and I had forgotten the up front right. So seven pieces. Now, how were they affected? Let's start with one of them and see what happened. Up front left. Where did it go? Well, up front left used to be yellow, blue, and red. It's not anymore. That piece is over here. The piece that was up front left went up front right. Where did the piece up front right go? Well, that used to be red, green, yellow. That's back to where we started. So there's a 2-cycle. Let's look at the other corners. How about this one back here? Up, back, left. It used to be blue, orange, and yellow. It's not anymore. Where'd it go? Went over here. Went to the right. So it went from up, back, left to up, back, right. The piece that used to be up, back, right was orange, green, and yellow. Where is that? It's over here. There's another 2-cycle. 2 pieces cycling. Let's start with an edge. Say up front. It used to be yellow and red. Where is the yellow and red piece? There it is. That's up back. The up back used to be yellow and orange. Well, where did that one go? Oh, there it is. That's upright. This used to be yellow and green. Where did that go? Back to where we started. There's a 3-cycle. So we can turn these into, we can change the notations. When I say cycle structure, I'm actually looking for something like this. And if you can do it with the arrows, all you're doing here is removing the arrows using these parentheses. This is very common notation and the part of mathematics concerned with twisty puzzles. So we have a 2-cycle, a 2-cycle, a 3-cycle, and you read it from left to right, and then when you get to the end, you go back to the beginning. So UF goes to UB, UB goes to UR, UR goes to UF, UF goes to UB, UB goes to UR, and so on. So this is the first part. Next, conjugates and inverses.